Talent. You know what it means, right? Of course you do. It's a natural ability or skill. Funny then that it's used so often to describe people who work really hard for a chance to succeed. Everybody talks about finding the next big thing. Usually it's a singer or a sports star that they're waiting to discover and promote. You've seen the talent shows on primetime TV, right? They are everywhere. Promoting talent isn't just about bats, balls, and boy bands, though. The next big thing can also be right under your nose all along. They could be just waiting to become your organization's next superstar. If you want your staff to shine, then you need to learn how to promote talent successfully. When you do, you'll save money, get better results, and increase the value of your business. The great news is that this course will show you how. You'll see what promoting talent means, what some of the benefits are, and how you can build a culture of talent promotion in your workplace.